Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil. I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So behind me we have the brand new 2019 VW Caravelle. It's the California Beach Edition, so it's one of the top spec ones that you can buy from VW. An absolutely stunning vehicle. One of the things that this customer was missing from their spec sheet was a tow bar. So what we've installed is a detachable swan neck with a dedicated wiring system. The main thing, if you're looking into tow bars, if you own this particular vehicle, is that you go down the route of a dedicated wiring system over what's called bypass electrics. One of the couple of key things that we do at CBS Automotive is we install only dedicated wiring system. Everything gets recoded in-house because the vehicle will need to be recoded on one of these, which we can do in our bespoke workshop facilities in Cambridge. So the dedicated wiring system basically goes into the given points that the manufacturer has approved. Is also a designated control box that goes in as well. On this vehicle, the electrical system, when you're adding a tow bar, is fairly complicated. It involves quite a lot of work. We've got to run all the way underneath the vehicle, from the back through the engine bay, and then there's a unit mounted in the engine bay as well. So the dedicated system, basically the difference between that and bypass electrics goes into, you take the feeds from the rear light, and that gives you everything that you need to light up your trailer, your caravan even, depending on how you're doing it, or a cycle carrier. A dedicated vehicle harness adjusts a lot more to your car. Bypass electrics, your car does not know it's towing. However, on a dedicated wiring system, the car completely adapts. You get more fuel in first and fifth gear. Your braking systems adjust. A lot happens in the background that you're not aware of that actually makes it safe. That's why your insurance company will want you to have a dedicated wiring system. That's why your manufacturer will want you to have a dedicated wiring system. And that's why, if you're Googling it, that's why the internet says you should have a dedicated wiring system. So this is the key thing. Get a professional installer. If you're not having your work done by us, just make sure you're having a professional outfit, stunning workshop facilities, so it's in a controlled environment, and you're getting the right products. So the dedicated wiring system that we've done on this particular vehicle is all completely now finished. Customer's about to collect their vehicle. I'm sure they're going to be over the moon. Just how this customer's integrated with our business and interacted today. Basically, the customer dropped off the vehicle this morning. It's taken advantage of our loan car service, taken a loan car while we've been working on this lovely vehicle, and then later on in an hour or so we'll be collecting this vehicle, and we'll run through exactly how everything works, go through everything in great detail, any questions or anything like that, and that will be it. So one of the we'll show you in a minute how to release the actual mechanism and what's included in the kit in terms of what you see as a customer. So we'll step round to the back of the vehicle now. So what we've got here is the Westfalia bag. So the reason why we use a Westfalia, always try to use Westfalia or a Witter on these particular vehicles. On VWs we always try to go down the route of a Westfalia, but much for muchness they are both very, very good bars. The reason why we've opted for a Westfalia on this particular vehicle and mostly VWs is because it's a line fit bar. What that basically means, it's not really designed as an aftermarket bar. It's like a manufacturer bar. It's what VW would be fitting on to their vehicle if it was coming from factory. So it's a little bit more tricky to install than a sort of off-the-shelf aftermarket bar, but for the quality difference, makes a massive, massive difference, and we're all about going that extra mile, getting the right product for you guys. So inside the actual kit itself, we've got a couple of bits and pieces. So in the Westfalia kit, comes with two keys. The keys look like this, which is a red little key. So there's two of them. One's in the housing at the moment, which we'll show you in a second. You get a little dust cover for your key when your key's off, and then you also get a little plug that goes in when your detachable bar's off. So the bag is a plastic bag. Basically what that does is when you take off your swan neck, you can put this away. But one thing we use this for, and we actually find this is the most important thing, is obviously to take off the bar you normally need to either kneel down if you've not done it before, or sort of crouch down. So what you can use this bag for is putting it on the ground so you don't get dirty knees. So you sort of kneel on there, On the actual housing itself, so this is the Westfalia bar, it comes with a little housing there which just pops off. So this is a Alco hitch style where the little groove is underneath. So this is a painted one as well. So as you can see here, you've got a little arrow that points out and then across. And you've got a green sticker there as well. So the key that goes in comes out nice and easily like this as well. So that's the key, the secondary key. On the actual cover, if we zoom in there, you'll see a little dust flap that's actually on the key. So you have to sort of move that out of the way when you're putting the key in. So you go in at the trick is to go in at a little bit of an angle, if you get the key the right way around. So you go in at a little bit of an angle. There you go. And you turn the key away from you. So when you put the key in, you turn the key away from you. I always like to put my one thumb there, which is actually on the second sticker below. I find that's the most easiest for me, but by all means you can change that. And you pull out. That's really easy to pull out. On the this is just for the Westfalia edition. The Witter ones you push in, but on a Westfalia you pull out. One of the key things is you grab one hand here on the actual neck itself, you pull out and you twist as the instructions on there. What you'll find is that it normally pops back in your hand like that. Okay, so you're taking it off, it comes out, you've got a little bit of grease on the top and it flings back in your hand. Main thing when the actual swan neck is off your vehicle, that you pull it out and you keep twisting until it clicks. So when it's off your vehicle, you should have a little gap on a Westfalia bar. Okay, that means it's armed, ready to go back in. So underneath here now you've got the actual housing. So this has got the spare wheel. So you've got the housing here and you've got the electric system here. This is a 13-pin dedicated vehicle harness. And it's really neat as well. So that's the system there. And what you've got here is the housing. So when your bar is off, you can very easily pop that in and it looks really discreet. So that stops any sort of road gunk going inside. It's really easy to use as well and it just pops in. So as that come off, we're going to show you how to put the bar back on. So you've got the swan neck here. What we like to do is put one hand here, make sure that's completely flat. So this is spring loaded, so it does sort of catch very quickly. And basically, as long as you keep your hand flat there, you sort of wiggle it around a little bit to and fro and it sort of clicks in. You then turn the key towards you and then out, and then that is completely locked. And then normally what we do is lean on it to lift ourselves up. So that's basically the system in essence. That's how a tow bar works. On this particular vehicle, this is a Westfalia edition, so it's a pull out and twist. If it does fling back in your hand, don't worry about that. And if you can't get it in, you're struggling, that'll be what it is. It's probably not armed. So just double check that. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. We are a Witter and Westfalia approved agent. So basically, there's only a few of us in the UK that are officially approved. And this is one of the key things. You can book with us through the WebFit schemes, or go on Witter's website. You can buy a detachable tow bar directly from their website as well. Or just give us a call and we can go through everything, all the options that we can add on for your vehicle. So for more details on how we can upgrade your vehicle, contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and we really look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.